Okay, I'm at a hangar, not my hangar. I'm at a different hangar. I'm doing a pre-flight on this Piper in order to carry on with lessons because, like I told you guys 2 years ago, I bought the airplane, the Challenger 2, before I got my pilot's license. So I still work on that pilot's license. So I got to do some circuits with this airplane today. And right now I'm just going to be doing the pre-flight. I've already checked a bunch of things. I'm just going to check the fuel level. I'm going to do the sumping the fuel and so on, and carry on with the pre-flight. So as you can probably see, there's a blanket over there. It is this morning it was minus 30 Celsius outside, so they were kind enough to put this thing in the hangar to warm up the airplane for me. Actually, I think they warm up the airplane for everybody, but that's okay. So yeah, really fast, quick update here. A shorty just to keep everybody abreast what's going on. So today is Saturday. I'm going to be up in the air this afternoon. Tomorrow is Sunday, and I am going to be gone. I'm going to down south, vacation time, sort of, and yeah, I'm going to Playa del Carmen for a week. My nephew's getting married, and he has a destination wedding, so I'm going to be down south for a week while it's freezing cold here in Manitoba. And by the time you see this, I will be back home in Manitoba. I will have returned by then. So anybody thinking they're going to come over to my place and grab things, I'm going to be home by then. So yeah, that's it. Quick update. I will be in the air. No, I'm not going to be filming anything in the air with the instructor. I haven't asked if I could, so I'm not going to. And maybe in the future there'll be some flying videos with me while taking lessons, if that's allowed. I'll see. Anyways, thanks a lot for everybody that's catching up on these quick updates. And hockey season, so keep your stick on the ice. We will see you again in a hangar again. Bye for now.
Hope you don't mind the little quick short update. Thanks for watching. See you again next time in the hangar. My hangar, I hope.